looks like Metagenics is celebrating 40 years. Congratulations to Metagenics. We really like Metagenics. We really like our rep. He's awesome.
Andy Robbins.
They've got good products. And they're always helpful. But we also have lots of others that we really like too. This is just one of them. But yesterday we opened Designs.
Well, everybody seems to have different works, different people, different things.
We've got it covered. Oh, I love this product that's in here. They always seem to give us lots of peanuts.
They are biodegradable. You get them wet and they just shrivel up.
So actually I think this is going to be full of good stuff that we love. So this is Ultra GI Replenish Vanilla. It's a good neutral base for a smoothie, but it helps repopulate your gut, and it's really good.
Lots of prebiotics in that. That's part of the, you guys hear me talk about my morning drink. There was another one that
Looks like we got lots of them in here.
Got 2 of them. Because I love that stuff combined with the
Ultra Inflamex is one of the things that I really like. I've been trying to do food first, but
well, these are
I'm
all
probably
food
going to add
based.
this back. It's really good for inflammation when your hands, my hands hurt a lot. My little drink's been helping, but it says it's pineapple banana. It really doesn't taste like pineapple banana. It's not horrible. It's not wonderful, but the product itself is.
Well, when you mix that with your other stuff, then it's good. And when we do the Ultra GI Replenish with the Ultra Inflamex, and then we go to add the Endorphin in there, that's 19 grams of fiber in the morning drink.
Yeah, and they do have different flavors. I don't know that we've ever tried it, but if you do try this, it's a wonderful product.
I really
but
wish.
it's really bright yellow and it does stain.
I really wish we were able to. I think that was it. I really wish we were able to just get it from food, but our restaurants are getting better in North Vernon, but they're still not there yet.
This is one of my very favorite things to use.
What did that help you get through?
I actually was getting ready to say that. I use this as pain medicine when I had a spinal fusion surgery. Actually, it has been a year. It was a year on the 27th. So, and I'm doing fabulous as far as the back goes, but I probably took pain medicine for maybe 3 or 4 days. I weaned myself off, and then I just had this. So, this is a specialized fish oil. It's got all different fish oils in there. It's great for joint discomfort, soreness, and all around inflammation and pain. We suggest to freeze it because our Metagenics rep said to. We keep them in the freezer. I take 2 to 3 times a day. In the freezing of it, if you are sensitive to fish oils and you tend to burp them, one, if you're doing that, you're probably not using a high quality fish oil, or it's rancid.
Or your microbiome's jacked up.
Or you have dysbiosis. And by freezing them, they get farther down into your digestive tract, and then you don't have that issue. But it's a really great product. It is pricey, but it is well worth the dollars.
Well, because it doesn't destroy your liver, doesn't destroy your kidneys.
And it's
priceless.
Yeah, if you use it every day, 3 times a day, and you're just taking one, it'll last you for a good month and a half, 2 months. But it is a really good product. This is Metagenics. This is one of my favorite products. Actually, this is one of my favorite products, but these are all wonderful things, and all of them are meant to help people with pain issues and or inflammation. It's a wonderful inflammation product. So, and if you're having issues with pain, joint pain, back pain, inflammation, call us. 812-346-1757. Talk to Tina, make an appointment, or you can reach me, Jessica Miller at Mrs. Indiana Back Doc at gmail.com, or Dr. Trevor Miller at
Dr. Miller at integratedhealthofIndiana.com.
Thank you for taking this time to look into the health of you and your loved ones. This broadcast does not constitute a doctor-patient relationship. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not a replacement or substitute for care. If you are having issues, please seek a qualified professional trained in functional medicine. We would be happy to be of assistance with both in-person and virtual consultations. Thank you.